Hello students, today we will see the next concept is inner classes. Java inner classes or nested class is a class which is declared inside the class or interface. That means in the Java, the classes are declared inside the class or any inside the interface. This classes is called as the inner classes. We use inner classes to logically group classes and interfaces in one place so that it can be more readable and maintainable. Additionally, it can access all the members of router class including outer class including private data members and methods. Syntax of inner class: how to declare the class. Class Java outer class, then coding of outer class, then declared inside the class. Class Java inner class, then coding of inner class and closing. First closing is inner class and then closing is outer class. Then advantages of Java inner classes: nested classes represent a special type of relationship, that is, it can access all the members, data members and methods of outer class including private. Second advantages is nested class are used to develop more readable and maintainable code because it logically group classes and interfaces in one place only. Then code optimization: it requires less code to write, and inner classes provide a shorter way of writing listeners. Then nested classes: inner class is the part of nested class. Non-static nested class are known as the inner classes, and there are two types of nested classes. First is static nested class and second is non-static class. Here nested class having two types: internal inner classes and static nested class. Inner classes having three subtypes. Here is inner classes, then method local inner class and anonymous inner class. Then first we will see static nested classes. Static nested class: a class which is defined as a static inside other enclosing class. Such a class is known as static nested class. This type of nested class cannot refer any member of its enclosing class directly. That means it must access members of enclosing class through an object. Here member inner class: a class created with the class and outside the method. Anonymous inner class: a class created for implementing interface or extending class. Its name is decided by the Java compiler. Then local inner class: a class created within methods. Then static nested class: a static class created within class, and nested interface: a interface created within class or any interface. Then example for the static nested class: first is here outer class, then declare static member variable static int outer x is equal to 20. Then one of the non-static member int outer y is equal to 20. Then declare one more variable, that is private member variable, that is private static int outer private is equal to 40. Then declare the static nested class, static nested class, then display method void display, and access these members, static members and private member. Here system.out.println outer x is equal to x and outer private is equal to outer private. These two variables access in inner classes. Then close the class. Then main methods: public class static nested class, public void main string args. Then accessing the static nested class, outer class dot static nested class, then create the object nested object is equal to new outer class dot static nested class, and then object dot display, then nested object dot display. Then when we run this program, then we will get the output. Here static members variable having value is 20 and private member value is 40. Then this value will be displayed. Then next topic is a non-static class. The non-static nested class are also known as a inner class. We know a class cannot be associated with the access modifier private, but if we have the class as a member of other class, then the inner class can be made private, and this is also used to access the private member of class. Non-static nested class, that is inner classes, having three types: member inner class, anonymous inner class, and local inner class. Then first we will see member inner class. A non-static class that is created inside a class but outside a method is called as a member inner class. In member inner class, class is class that is created inside the class but outside the method. Then syntax: class outer, then coding of outer class, and then inner class and coding of inner class. First we will close the inner class and then outer class. Then example for member inner class. In this example, we are creating a message method in member inner class that is accessing the private data members of outer class. Here first is member test member outer class, outer one class. Here we will declare the one variable and its access modifier is private int data is equal to 300. Then class inner is equal to void class inner opening class. Then declare the message void, declare the method message void message, and print this private data members values. Then main method and create the objects. Test member outer one objects is equal to new test member outer, then test member outer one dot inner in is equal to obj dot new inner, and then object dot message method. Call the method. Then when we run this program, we can access the private member values 300. Then we will display the output data is 300. Then anonymous inner class. A class that have no name is known as the anonymous inner class in Java. It should be used if you have to override method of class or interfaces. Java anonymous inner class can created by two ways: classes, maybe abstract or concrete class, and then interfaces. Then we will see the anonymous inner class example. Here we declare the class abstract class person, then abstract void it method, then class test anonymous inner and main methods, then person p is equal to new person, then method void it and display the message nice mango, and closing this and closing this. Then call the method, and when we run this program we will get the output nice mango. Then third is local inner class. A class that is created inside a method is called local inner class in Java. If you want to invoke the method of local inner class, you must instantiate this class inside the method. And in Java, if you invoke the method of local inner class, then you must be instantiate this class inside the method. For example, public class local inner one. Here we declare one of the instance variable like private int data is equal to 300. Then display the method void display. Here created inside a method. A class is created inside the methods. Here display the method, and inside the class is class local. Then void message method and print the message system.out.println, and then value put the data values. Then local create the objects local class, local L is equal to new local, and then L dot message. Then main method public static void main string args. Then local inner one object obj is equal to new local inner one, and then obj dot display. That means in local inner class concept is a class that is created inside a method is called as the local inner class. Here displays method and inside the class is local. Then when we run this program, we will get the output 300.